IT Expo Miami 2009.
Hi, I'm Eric Linass, coming to you from IT Expo in Miami, Florida. I'm here now with Tristan Degenhardt, Director of Digium's Switchvox product line. Hi, Tristan.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm great. Glad to have you here. Glad to hear you have you here at the show with us.
Thanks for having me.
So, you know, one of the first things I read when I logged on to TMCnet this morning was your new 4.0 release.
Yeah.
What can you tell me about it?
Yeah, we had our announcement this morning about the new version of Switchvox SMB 4.0, and that really there's two different facets there. The concept of web-aware unified communications is something that we're trying to educate the market about. Unified communications means a lot of things to a lot of people, and certainly we're really great at being an IPPBX, and we did really well at web integration. Switchvox has always been pretty focused on expandability, reaching out to the web for more information, and displaying that when a caller calls me. If you were to call me, it would show me where you were calling from, it would show me all your CRM data, I would see all of that right in front of me. But we were missing some of the UC components. We were missing fax, we were missing chat, video calling, and some of the more interesting Microsoft integration. And so 4.0 pulls together those things that we were missing. So we've got fax now, we've got chat now, we've got video calling, we've got Microsoft integration with IMAP and all of that. You add that together with all the web stuff we were really great at, and all of a sudden you've got a web-aware unified communication solution.
No, that's an awful lot to add in a release.
It is.
What's the market like out there for the video component?
So the video component's interesting, especially right now. One of the things that I do out of the San Diego office with Digium, we're headquartered in Huntsville, Alabama, and I used to fly out about twice a quarter, and video calling is really, to be honest, helping us just directly. And I know a lot of small businesses in particular, those that would be a good fit for Switchvox, have been looking for video for that exact reason, to cut down on travel right now. And there's more and more video phones available, and Switchvox is built on these open standards that let you use any video phone. So we're supporting 2 of the most common video codecs, so soft phones, hard phones, whatever you want to use.
Well, that's fantastic, and you mentioned the economy and cost savings from video calling as opposed to traveling across country. In general, how is the economy impacting positively or negatively what you're doing with Switchvox?
So Digium in particular is in an interesting position right now because we're the creators and the maintainers of the Asterisk project, of course. And you know, that's a free software project, and a lot of people are building on that, and that's really where Switchvox came from. And so what you're finding is companies not spending money so quickly. You know, they're not just saying, I'm going to pull the trigger on that, you know, old legacy system, I'm going to go ahead and renew those contracts. They shop around a little more right now because the economy is really impacting their bottom line. So as they do look around and do research, they're finding any of the Digium solutions, and in particular Switchvox, for anyone that's looking for a small, medium-sized business PBX. I mean, it's got everything you need in it, and it's coming in at just a fraction of what you would expect to pay of a traditional PBX.
Out on the show floor, what kind of things can we see in the Digium Asterisk World Pavilion?
There's actually quite a few partners with us. Everything from custom applications, VARs being there to talk about, you know, what we can actually build for you out of Digium software. We've got call center applications. We've got Voice Pulses here showing off their SIP trunking solution. Of course, we're showing Switchvox 4.0 for the first time. It's going to be demoed everywhere. So I'm really excited to have all these different partners with us in the pavilion. It's been a big year for us.
Oh, that's fantastic. We've been chatting with Tristan Degenhardt from Digium. We've already heard from several of your partners and exhibitors in the pavilion. Now we've heard straight from Digium. Thanks for joining us, Tristan.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Thanks.